Well, India is observing the 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday paid homage to the Kargil war martyrs. The Prime Minister laid a floral wreath at Dras War Memorial to pay tributes to the officers and soldiers of the armed forces who made the supreme sacrifice in the service of the nation. Prime Minister also witnessed the first blast of the Shingkhun La Tunnel project in Ladakh virtually. The Shingkhun La Tunnel project consists of a 4.1 kilometers long twin tube tunnel that will be constructed at an altitude of around 15,800 feet on the Nimu Padum Darja road to provide all-weather connectivity to Leh. Once completed, it will be the highest tunnel in the world. Shingkhun La Tunnel will not only ensure swift and efficient movement of armed forces and equipments, but also foster economic and social development in Ladakh. So the Shingkhun La Tunnel in the Union Territory of Ladakh in Himalayas would be ready in 4 years. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi virtually carried out the first blast in Kargil. This all-weather tunnel has a strategic importance. DD India correspondent spoke exclusively to the Director General of the Border Roads Organization on the project. Take a listen.
The tunnel is 4.1 kilometers long. I would like to take just a minute about that. It connects the Himachal Pradesh that is the Lahaul Spiti Valley. It connects it to the Zanskar Valley. Between that, we have a mountain range where there is one pass which is Shingkhun La. The connectivity which we have established between Nimu, Padam and Darcha, which we were able to establish in March this year, it will not be an all-weather connectivity. So therefore, the requirement of a tunnel. And like I said, we expect to be able to complete this in 4 years' time.
And on the occasion of the 25th anniversary of Kargil Vijay Divas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tribute to the brave hearts who made supreme sacrifice in the line of duty. During his speech at the Kargil War Memorial in Dras, Prime Minister Modi warned Pakistan, stating that the soldiers of India will crush terrorism with full force and that the enemy will receive a befitting reply, sent a clear warning to Pakistan and not to resort to nefarious designs to foment violence in India.
India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Kargil warned the neighbouring country Pakistan that its evil intentions would never succeed in India. He asserted that Indian soldiers would defeat Pakistan's strategy of fomenting terrorism and infiltrating borders.
पाकिस्तान ने अतीत में जितने भी दुष्प्रयास किए उसे मुंह की खानी पड़ी है, लेकिन पाकिस्तान ने अपने इतिहास से कुछ नहीं सीखा है। वो आतंकवाद के सहारे, प्रॉक्सी वॉर के सहारे अपने आप को प्रासंगिक बनाए रखने का प्रयास कर रहा है। लेकिन आज जब मैं उस जगह से बोल रहा हूं जहां आतंक के आकाओं को मेरी आवाज सीधे सुनाई पड़ रही है, मैं आतंकवाद के इन सरपरस्तों को कहना चाहता हूं कि उनके नापाक मंसूबे कभी कामयाब नहीं होंगे.
Prime Minister Modi also said that India is undergoing major reforms in all sectors, including its defence forces. He said that indigenous equipments are being given to the armed forces to reduce the dependence on any other country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on this occasion also clarified doubts raised by the opposition parties about the Agnipath scheme. He said that the scheme aimed to smoothen the process of taking young people into the army at an early age. The scheme is not at all related to escaping a pension.
अग्निपथ का लक्ष्य सेनाओं को युवा बनाना है. अग्निपथ का लक्ष्य सेनाओं को युद्ध के लिए निरंतर योग्य बनाए रखना है. दुर्भाग्य से राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा से जुड़े इतने संवेदनशील विषय को कुछ लोगों ने राजनीति का विषय बना दिया है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi cautioned the opposition parties not to politicize the country's defense issues. He said the Kargil victory was a victory of the nation and not of any political party. Akhilesh Suman's report for DD India.